Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Bhagya Lakshmi, would you like to unmute?
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. I'm really thankful to you. Actually, I was preparing for some competitive exam. I was not able to concentrate on my kid from past 1.5 year. I used to be at home, but I couldn't spend time with him, or I couldn't, I literally I didn't spend not even half an hour with him. So he was around with my mother and all around in our farmhouse and all. So he used to play all the time with all the animals like that and all. So he was not at all listening to anybody, and he was so not interested in studies and all like that. Online classes, nobody will be there to take care of him and all. So he used to sit alone, and lot of things were like that, and that was the last attempt for me. So I couldn't leave my dream also. So I thought after 1 year I will try to make everything set right. Then after that I came to know that it is very difficult to bring him back, and I was so worried, and I really feel like I'm blessed to see your ad on Instagram. And then I registered, and I attended the live shows and all. So it was so giving hopes to me. So I started to follow all those things, and I started giving time to him. And now I'm working and I am traveling 3 hours a day. So it was very difficult for me to give much time, but definitely I can spare 1 hour with him, so that because of all your words, I'm having some hopes to make him right. He's so good, and he listens all those things, but I'm not getting how to respond to his wantings or needs and all. So I was having a lot of I have gone through many things related to parenting and all, but I was not able to implement it. And now the age has been like he is 7+, and now I don't know what to do. How to mold him. I was having a strong belief it is a molding period from pre-KG to 2nd standard, so that period I should take care and all like that. So in between I was supposed to enter to that the competitive exam. So also those things happened now. So now I'm having all the hope to correct him with his own face.
You will be able to, still you have time. Child up to 12 years, you will be able to really help him. The only key is consistency. Consistency. Like
yes.
The only key is consistency. Every day you're going to invest your time, and in that time you will follow that 4 points. Don't instruct or control. Show them how to do. Don't force them, and don't correct them.
Yes.
And after 7 days we plan how to do that. So if you're going to spend the time in that way, everyday investment is going to really change the whole scenario between you and the child.
That's really happy to hear, ma'am. Actually, I am facing a problem, like he always asks for a new gift or something like that. Usually what I do, I will be...
He asks you new gift, you tell him no, you have a lot of gift at home, which happens even in my case. So where I tell him, no, there are a lot of things at home which we are not using. We need not buy so many things often. Just tell him, okay, just keep telling him. Even if he cries sometime or he's not feeling okay about it, it's okay to undergo that. It's okay to undergo that. Because even if we are not buying, so many people are keep on buying for our children.
Yeah, ma'am, because I was not spending much time now, so I thought of bringing lot of gifts to him. So I made him to have a habit of asking all those things, and now I'm really feeling very difficult to say no to him. I feel like he will
Okay.
he will be feeling like very sad.
Guilty, and you're trying to fulfill your guilty with a gift, which will not happen. Guilty you can overcome only by connecting with the child and not by gifting the child. Okay. It's okay that you gave all this while giving him the gifts, but now you keep telling, baby, you have a lot of toys. Amma cannot still keep on buying a lot of toys. You tell him, keep on being patient and keep on consistently tell him. After a while, it will go deep inside his mind that when I ask a gift, you're going to tell me this. You already have a lot of toys, and he will tell and move away. Okay, that's all. It's okay that they reply in this way funny. Okay.
Okay. So it will not give any bad impact to ma'am, for its bike and all.
Not at all. Keep giving more gifts, it will give a bad impact.
I had that confusion, ma'am. If I give also, that will be a problem. If I don't give also, it will be a problem. So what to do?
No, don't giving is like, we are not completely not paying. Any birthday you're going to buy, or when you're going somewhere and you feel something useful for the child, then you can buy. See, suppose we bought one activity for during this time, which was very useful for my son's science experiment. Okay, we got. But after that, so many car, bike, and all that he was asking. I said no. Oh, you have a lot of toys and cars and trucks and everything at home. Don't ask. No.
Actually, and one more thing, ma'am, he was so happy to receive your gift, ma'am, and he was telling to everyone around our house, and he was telling like, Rohini ma'am sent this gift to me. I had done all the activities very nicely. She was very happy to see that. That's why she has sent, like, he was telling to everybody, ma'am, whomever he was telling, and he connected everything, ma'am, that whatever you sent, no, so he was
he sent me the picture, I think.
He made it everything connection and all, and he was playing around with that, and he was very happy. So I'm really glad to join this group, and I really thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.